Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am here with a problem, very interesting problem, and it is very interesting for those who are maths lover. ABC is a right angle triangle given to us. B is a 90-degree angle. AB is 68, AC is equal to 85, and inside this right angle triangle, a circle is inscribed. This is the circle having tangent at point PQR. These are the tangent points. We have to find the value of this region. This is shaded region. This the area of this region is to be found. एक ABC समकोणिक त्रिभुज है, बीच पे राइट एंगल 90 डिग्री का है, AB 68 है, AC 85 है, अंदर एक सर्कल बना हुआ है जो PQR पर टेंजेंट है, तीनों आर्म्स उसके पर टेंजेंट है। हमें ये एरिया जो लाइनों वाला एरिया है इसको निकालना है। इट मींस एरिया ऑफ AB QR is equal to what? This is the main question. अब इसको एक चीज दिमाग में आती है that if area of somehow ABC is known to us, area of ABC minus area of RQC, then we can obtain the area of ABQR. ठीक है? This is the first problem, is to find the area of this rectangle ABC and then to find the area of this RQC. Subtracting them, we can find the value of this portion area RAQB. Now, area of the triangle. Area of triangle ABC. This is 1 by 2 base into height. Base is equal to 68 into height is not known to us. Height is not known to us. Height is to be obtained. Height can be obtained by means of Pythagoras. How? That h can be this 85 square. This will be equal to 68 square minus h square. Or we may say h square. This will be equal to 85 square sorry, h square plus h square. ठीक है? H square will be equal to 85 square minus 68. Okay? 85 square and 65 square. If we calculate, this is 85 into 85. 7225 minus 68 square. Four 824. Difference of this 2401 h square. It means h will be equal to 51. 51 square will be equal to this. H will be 51. Okay. Now h is obtained. H is equal to 51 centimeter. Okay. This is now I am going to rub this. You have to keep this mind. दिस इज टू बी केप्ट इन आवर माइंड, ये हमें दिमाग में रखना चाहिए कि x इज इक्वल टू जो कैलकुलेट हो गया. द एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल विल बी triangle ABC. This will be 1 by 2 half base into height 68 into 51. That is 34 into 51. That will be equal to 34 into 51. One 734 centimeter square. This is the area of the triangle. Okay. Now our aim is to find somehow the area of this portion. And the total area, when subtracted this portion, will get the red shaded area. How we can find this? Let us suppose, देखिए, it is known to us that area can be obtained by a triangle. ये पता होता है कोई भी एक triangle होता है, if any triangle is there with sides x and y, an angle between them is known to us. Then area can be of this triangle can be written as 1 by 2 x into y into sine of the angle between them, that is theta. Sine of, this is the formula, trigonometrical formula. The area of the triangle can be obtained by this formula where xy are the two adjoint arms having the angle theta, 1 by 2 xy into sine of theta, where sine theta is that angle of theta is that angle which is in between these two adjoining arms. In this way, we can say if this arm is known to us and this arm is known to us and this theta is known to us, we can find the area of this rectangle, triangle. This is triangle. Okay, this triangle area can be. And because this is tangent from C, ये C से इस पे टेंजेंट है, C से इस पे टेंजेंट है, तो एक थ्योरी है कि टेंजेंट का रूल क्या है, that all both two tangents are always, these two tangents equal to each other from a point it has been drawn. किसी भी एक point outside a point से जब कोई टेंजेंट डाली जाती है, the tangent drawn from outside a point outside the circle, it will be always equal to, this tangent will be automatically equal to this one. Okay, if this is x, it means this will be x. This, it means let us suppose CQ is equal to, अगर x है, if x, then is equal to RC, because C is the external point from where we are drawing two tangents on the circle. These are the two tangents from the external point C on the circle. Okay, they will be equal. It means x. It means area can be obtained. It means that area of QRC will be equal to 1 by 2 x into sine of theta. Now our aim is to find x and sine theta. That is 1 by 2 x square sine theta. Theta is to be obtained somehow or x is to be obtained. Theta can be obtained very easily because this theta angle is angle of this triangle. Okay. For this theta, this is base 51 and this is hypotenuse 85. It means sine theta, this will be equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. It means AB upon hypotenuse 85. That is 68 upon 85. Okay. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse 68. This will be equal to 17 5s are 85 and 17 4s are 68. It means 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5. Sine of theta is equal to 4 upon 5. Then it is equal to 1 by 2 x square into 4 by 5. This is the value of the area. 2 can be cancelled and will, in short, we'll get x square upon 2 by 5. This is the area of this QRC. X is to be found out first off. How we can find x? This is x. We have supposed this CQ. CQ is this. This is x. It means this portion is 1885 minus x. Okay? This portion will be 85 minus x. AR will be 85 minus x. AR. Okay? And if this is x, this is x, it means this will portion is equal to 51 minus x. QB. This is x, it means QB will be x. Or QB is the tangent from B on circle. QB, bahar B से इसके ऊपर tangent है, is equal to BP. This will be also 51 minus x. This one. Okay? Clear? And hence, this portion will be equal to 68 minus 51 minus x. This one. देखिए फिर से here CQ is equal to x. It means QB is equal to 51 minus x. Correct? And QB is equal to PB is equal to 51 minus x. Okay? But PB is equal to AB is equal to 68. It means AP will be equal to 68 minus BP. That is 68 minus 51 minus x. Or we can say this will be equal to 7 and 117 minus x. AP will be 17 minus x. This will be 17 minus x. 17 minus x will be also equal to AP. AP is also equal to AR. But AR is equal to 85 minus x. This is also equal to AR. Why? Because this is also the external point and these are the tangent from point A. It means this portion which is equal to 17 minus x will be equal to 85 minus x. It means that 85 minus x is equal to 17 minus x. Now 2x, this will be equal to 85 plus minus 17. This will be equal to कितने बराबर हो जाएगा 68 2x. It means x will be equal to 34. X की वैल्यू 34 आ गई. It means this size, this is equal to 34. It means this is also equal to 34. अब इस ट्राइंगल में ये वाला ट्राइंगल ऐसे है. We have to take this, consider this triangle. And this point is R, this point is C, and between this angle is theta, and this is CQ. This is the line. This is X, this is X. And theta, sine theta is already, we have obtained this. Sine theta is equal to 4 by this. 4 by 5. It means area will be equal to here. We can find this, all the value as a minor. The area of Q 1 by 2 x square sine theta. Here we have to simply put the value of x is equal to 34. ठीक है, x is equal to 34. Okay, then area will be equal to this area will be equal to area of QRC is equal to 1 by 2 34 into 34 1 by 2 into 34 into 34 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5. Okay, this will be get cancelled over here 2. This will be approximately equal to 462.4 approximately cm square. If we calculate this area will be this. Okay, 46.4 centimeter square. Total area was 1734. Okay, total area was 1734. Area of ABC. This is the area of this portion. Then the area of red portion region this will be 1734 minus 462.4. This will be equal to 1271.6. The area of this will be 1276.71.6 approximately 71.6. This will be the area SQCM. Area answer will be 1271.6 SQCM. Okay, only two important formulas are there which are applicable over here. One is the Pythagoras, very simple. Another is the tangent law, very simple. And this is the special formula which we have told you, that area of a triangle having the side 2, if two sides are known to us, then it will be 1 by 2, two sides, A into B into and sine of that angle between them. Here we are having x, both are equal, so that we are putting x square. अगर ए बी दो साइड्स हैं, ए बी के साथ यहाँ पे ए बी दो साइड्स हैं, उनके बीच में एंगल थीटा है, then area of the triangle will be 1 to AB sin of theta. This is only be rememberable. Okay, I think you have enjoyed this. आपको मजा आया होगा क्वेश्चन करने में, समझ में भी आ गया होगा अच्छी तरह. स्पेस कम है मेरे पास, मॉडिफिकेशन कम है, लेकिन मैं ट्राई करती हूँ आपको पूरी अच्छी तरह समझाने का. ओके, मजा आया है, लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव मी द थम्स अप. ओके, कीप इन टच विद मी. Okay, you are all the motivational person for me. Okay, thank you, good night, good luck. Keep in touch with me.